So I'm gonna go to my 0, main level view for this. And under the View tab, we have a 3D dropdown. So we have a walkthrough, camera, and default view. We're gonna go over camera views here. So I'm gonna click on camera view. I'm just gonna go, the first click is where you wanna place the camera, and the second click is the direction and the depth that you want the camera. So I'm gonna click it there. And then it goes to that 3D view. So you wanna go over here and probably rename it. So I'm gonna say front perspective. Some other settings, you can change it to orthographic or perspective. You can change the eye level, 5'6". If you wanted it higher, say 8 foot, it'll move it up. 5'6". Okay, so let's say you don't really like this angle. You want to change the location of the camera view, but if you go to the main level, you can't see that. So what you need to do is click on the view, right click, show camera, and now it'll show it temporarily and you can move it around. So now if we go back to that front perspective, you can see it looks a little bit different. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching and sticking it through. I know it was a long one. In the next video, we're going to talk about creating sheets, the various settings for that.